The Lotus Sutra, Chapter 25, The Gateway to Every Direction, manifested by Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara. If anyone, whether guilty or innocent, is bound with fetters or chains, such bonds will be broken into pieces, and those who have been bound will become free by chanting the name of Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara. When a caravan leader travels on a dangerous road together with his fellow merchants, carrying precious treasures in a great manifold cosmos filled with evil robbers, if there be a single person who says, "O sons of a virtuous family, do not fear, you should wholeheartedly chant the name of Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara," this Bodhisattva bestows fearlessness upon sentient beings. If you chant his name, you will be free from these evil robbers. Now, if those merchants chant loudly in unison, saying homage to Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara, then, by chanting his name, the caravan will immediately gain deliverance. O Akshayamati, the transcendent power of Bodhisattva Mahasattva Avalokitesvara is as great and mighty as this. If there are any sentient beings who are greatly subject to sensual desires, if they contemplate Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara with respect, they will become free from these desires. There are hundreds of thousands of myriads of kotis of sentient beings who enter the great ocean to seek such treasures as gold, silver, lapis lazuli, mother of pearl, agate, coral, amber, and pearl. Even if a cyclone were to blow the ship of one of these toward the land of Rakshasa demons, they would all become free from the danger of those Rakshasa demons if there were even a single person among them who chanted the name of Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara. For this reason he is called Avalokitesvara. If there are any sentient beings who often become angry, if they contemplate Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara with respect, they will become free from anger. If there are any sentient beings who are greatly confused, if they contemplate Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara with respect, they will become free from their confusion.